Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can fix if your laptop is being stuck or frozen. So if your laptop screen is not at all responding, it got freezed and not at all responding, you can do few things. You can do few troubleshooting steps like restarting Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer in the sense this one. If this is also not responding, how we can actually restart, give it a restart, and how we can refresh the graphic driver. Mostly this step if you do this step number two, if you do most of it get resolved, right? And I'll show you how you can do this. And task manager, we can open task manager and see if there is any app which is making it frozen or stuck. So first thing, yeah, to open task manager, what we should usually do is right click here, keep your cursor here and click on here and open task manager. And under task manager you'll see all the process running here, and here you'll see this Windows Explorer. You need to right click on this and you need to click on restart. Okay, this closes the uh, Windows Explorer and restarts it from the starting. So if this is the reason, then your problem will be fixed. Okay, if this is not the reason, you can refresh the graphic driver by pressing shift plus control plus Windows key plus B at the same time. So what I'll do is I'll just open this on-screen windows for you to show. Then I'll show you what all the keys you need to click. Open just on-screen keyboard. You need to click on Shift, Control, Windows key plus B at the same time. So I'll try to press them all at the same time. Okay, Shift, Control, Windows B. See here, screen got flickered, so the graphic driver has been refreshed. So this also will solve your problem, or else again right click on this here and open task manager. You can open task manager by control alt delete also. If you press this control alt delete also, you can open this one control alt plus delete also will open the task manager. Okay, open the task manager, and here you need to analyze. For example, under all the processes running currently, see if there is any app taking maximum resources. For example, see here, yeah, I have Chrome. 80% of the memory is see here, only 80% is available, and out of it maximum is utilized by Chrome. Just you can try closing all the current running tasks, and these are the background running tasks, and you can just end the task and check whether your problem got resolved. By doing these steps, yeah, your problem may get resolved. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.